from Courtney's Creations, and today I am going to show you guys how to make this rag. For this project, you will need your choice of yarn. I'm using brown wool. You will need some scissors and a 5mm crochet hook. To begin, you want to make a magic ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you want to work 9 double crochet into that ring for a total of 10 double crochets. That chain 3 will count as a double crochet. And when that tail starts getting too close, pull it just a little bit so that way we can close our ring at the end. Count, make sure that you do have 10 double crochets in that ring. Pull that tail closed. Then you want to slip stitch in the top of that chain 3. Next you want to chain 3. Work a double crochet in that same stitch. And then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. We want to put 2 double crochets in each stitch around back to the beginning, and when you finish you should end with 20 double crochets, and I will see you guys there. Once you reach the end, you want to slip stitch in the top of that chain 3. Then you want to chain 3, double crochet in that same stitch, one double crochet in the next stitch, two double crochet in the next stitch. We want to repeat this around, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the next. We're going to repeat that all the way around back to the beginning, and I will see you guys there. I just finished my last full set. I have 1 space left, so I need to work a double crochet into that stitch, and that will finish my set from the beginning. Now I want to slip stitch in that 3rd chain, chain 3, and then I want to work 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So you should have 5 double crochet total. Once you have your 5, we're going to work 2 double crochets in the next stitch, chain 2, and then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Now I'm going to work 1 double crochet in the next 6 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we want to work 2 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, and then work 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Now we're going to repeat this around, 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches, and then 2 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Then we're going to work 1 double crochet in the next 6 stitches, and then 2 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the last stitch. And I will meet you guys there. So I just finished. So what you should have is 9 across the top, 10 on the side, 9 on the bottom, and you should get 10 on this other side. I'm going to finish this last corner with y'all. I'm going to work 2 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the last stitch. Then you want to slip stitch in the top of your chain 3, chain 3, work 1 double crochet in each stitch across until you get to your corner. When you get to your corner, you want to work 2 double crochet in that corner space, chain 2, and work 2 more double crochet in that corner space. Then you want to work, don't forget this first double crochet, you want to work in that stitch and work 1 double crochet in each stitch across back till you get to your corner space. Then you want to do 2 double crochet in that corner space, chain 2, and then 2 more double crochet in that space. And we're going to continue that all the way around back to the beginning, and I will see you guys there. So I have 2 stitches left. I want to work 1 double crochet in each stitch. And then I want to slip stitch in the top of my chain 3. Next, I want to chain 1. Working in that same stitch, I want to work a single crochet. Then you want to work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Now in your chain 2 space, you want to work 2 single crochets. Don't forget this stitch. Work single crochet and then work 1 single crochet in each stitch back to your chain 2 space, and then do 2 single crochets in that chain 2 space, 1 single crochet across, 2 single crochets, single crochet across, 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space, single crochet across, and then when you get back to the beginning here, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I'm back at my beginning. This is my slip stitch, this is my chain 1, and this is my first single crochet. So I'm going to work into that first single crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch. I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to cut my yarn, and then what we're going to do is pull your yarn through, pull that closed, and you can use your needle or you can use your hook, and you want to weave in your ends. So I'm just going to weave this in and out until I think it's secure enough. And I always make sure that my work is never popping out in the front, but I leave it in the back. And then I'm going to cut my tail, whatever ends I have left. And then on the back you'll have a tail. Just pull it closed, cut any extra you have. Stretch your rag out a little bit. And there you have your rag. So join me next time for our next project. Bye!